Hey, you silly birds out there in the land of make-believe. Welcome to my channel and my latest video. I am Richard Lorenz with BeTheBird.com, a series of silly bird paintings that I've become known for and would like to share with you here on this channel. A little background on me before we start. I'm a traditional painter. I've been painting for 30 years-ish or so, traditional oils and acrylics, up until the point where I became sensitive to the chemicals and had to find a new way to paint, and that's where digital comes in to play. Specifically now I do most of what I do on the iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil, and specifically the little painting app PROCREATE. And so a little disclaimer here, these are not traditional tutorials. I'm here to show you my process and how I do what I do. If you find some value in that, that's awesome. Share, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Today I want to go a little old school. I wanted to start, I want to mimic kind of the acrylic washes, ink washes that I used to do, and I think I'm going to do a little bit more of those. Those are fun. Here's an example. This is a piece I did a few days ago. Just a silly bird, acrylic washes on, ink washes on canvas. And so I'd like to mimic this today in this video. I'll be using the iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil and the app PROCREATE as my painting app. So we're going to begin with the sketching, and let's begin. Okay, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I was going for the ink, kind of the ink wash, the ink look. Give you a little close up here. Of course, I had to add a butterfly. And so, of course, this will be available as a print. We already have that done. We do our own printing here. We print on canvas. These are limited editions. You'll find them at bethebird.com. I wanted to create this piece as a reminder that whatever this mess is that we're in, we're not alone. We're in this together. So this is kind of an homage to that idea that we can get through this together. And so if you like this video, of course, share with your peeps. Give me a thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys next time. And as always, remember, you already have wings. Be the bird.